What's up YouTube? Today I've got a customer build here. It's an 84 millimeter with a Spyderco blade. Usually I do a dragonfly blade with this, but he requested the Roadie blade, so I've got that here. Got it fitted and resharpened. All the tools were acid etched and brass washed. This does have a pair of scissors from a 91 millimeter. We've got the opener layer, bottle opener with large slotted tip screwdriver, and the can opener. Got the Black Alox Scales with OD green G10 liners. That Roadie blade is pretty cool. That is going to do it for this one. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.